Before you book another skin rejuvenation treatment, the question is not how many sessions you need. It's whether your skin has enough recovery capacity to build from that treatment that you're giving it. And this is the part that most treatment advice skips over, especially when it comes to mature skin. Because most people focus on the treatment itself, the device, the clinic package, the depth, the serums, or the number of sessions. And whilst those things do matter, they are not the whole result. The treatment creates a signal, and your skin still has to recover, remodel, and build from that signal. And this is where your skin health age really matters. Any skin rejuvenation treatment that relies on collagen stimulation also depends on the repair process. Now, whether the treatment happens in a clinic or at home, the principle is the same. The skin receives a controlled stimulus and moves into an inflammatory response and activates repair, and then begins the longer process of remodeling. That process has 3 stages. The inflammation begins the communication process. The proliferation supports the repair capacity, its abilities, and the remodeling is where the collagen matures, it strengthens and becomes part of your skin's structure over time. And that's the part that most people miss. It's the 3rd stage. Your skin can look completely recovered before the collagen has finished maturing. The redness will have gone, the surface will feel completely calm, and you think, oh, okay, I'm completely ready again for the next treatment. But beneath the surface, the remodeling phase may still be active. And this is especially important in mature skin because that repair cycle can take longer than the standard treatment schedules will allow for. Treat again too soon and you do not necessarily speed up results. You may interrupt them. The collagen that was quietly maturing beneath the surface may not get the time it needs to strengthen. And instead of building progressively from one treatment to the next, your skin can stay in a cycle of short-lived improvement followed by the feeling that nothing has really changed over the longer term. This is why temporary results are so frustrating. The treatment may have worked, the timing may have interrupted what it started. This applies to collagen-stimulating treatments that rely on a repair cascade, including microneedling and other approaches designed to trigger a skin renewal. The details of each treatment may differ, but the principle remains the same. The stimulation needs enough recovery for the collagen to mature. Poor timing cannot be corrected by a bigger or better device or deeper settings or a more expensive serum. It can only be improved when you understand your remodeling window, and that is the amount of time that your skin may need before the next collagen stimulating treatment. And this is what your skin health age is designed to help you to understand. It's not simply a score based on your skin type or how your skin looks in the mirror. It is a way of estimating your current recovery window by taking into account factors that may support or slow the repair capacity. And these include your treatment history, lifestyle patterns, medical history, and the internal pressures that influence how your skin is aging now. Your skin health age helps you to understand the part of the skin rejuvenation that most people actually overlook. And that's what your skin needs between treatments in order to repair, remodel, and build progressively. And this matters because 2 people can follow the same treatment schedule and get 2 completely different results. The treatment can be the same. The recovery capacity is not. And one of the reasons the recovery capacity changes in midlife is a biological shift called inflammaging. Now, inflammaging is a chronic, low-grade inflammation that becomes more relevant with biological age. It is subtle and it's enough for most people never to connect it to their skin results, but important enough that it can influence how long your remodeling phase needs to be. The greater the systemic pressure, the more carefully your skin recovery timeline needs to be considered. And this is why generic treatment scheduling is not enough for mature skin. Your skin may not need more treatment. It may need recovery-led spacing, controlled collagen stimulation, and enough time for the repair cycle to complete before you stimulate it again. Now, in the masterclass that follows your result, I will explain how inflammaging changes your skin repair capacity, why results can look temporary even when the treatment has worked, and why your skin health age score matters for your next treatment decision. So first, take the skin age calculator below. It only takes about 2 minutes, and it will give you a sort of stake in the ground or a starting point for understanding how many days your skin may need between every collagen stimulating treatment that you do or have. Once you have your score, the masterclass will explain why that number matters and what may be influencing it, and how to think about your next treatment decision with a little bit more clarity. So take the calculator below. The score is your starting point. I'll see you in the masterclass.